Really pleased with it in terms of the outcome of it, and it's really nice that the 21st century funding has been able to come to Ysgol Clywedog. I think it's had a massive impact improving our learning environment, and all the research about how an improved learning environment actually improves the learning culture, I think has gone a long way to the progress and the improvements that we've made at Ysgol Clywedog over the last 2 years. I think in terms of the perception of the school and also the pride of the students at the school, I think the timing of this new front and the new branding with that, alongside the new uniform and the blazers, the students are walking 10 feet tall, they're proud to be part of Ysgol Clywedog, and I think that has really come across in terms of the new uniform, the new branding and the new front then that goes alongside all of that. I think the belonging to Wrexham, because our situation being on the fringes of the town centre means that we are ideally placed to be able to see and serve the town centre and the communities there, but also the communities up onto the fringes of Wrexham and up into the hills as well.